Hi everyone, I'm Francesca Verri with Very Organized, here to give you some tips on organizing any closet in your home. With the change of a new season upon us, it's a great time to take a look at what we have, assess what we have, and organize your closet. And there are 2 steps that you need to take to get started. The first step is vision, and I know it might sound a little bit trivial, but the truth is that having a vision for any space that you want to get organized is tremendously important. Without a vision, you might find yourself letting in more than you need or have a more difficult time making decisions on what stays and what goes. With a vision, the space starts to take shape and you know better what belongs in that space or informs the space positively, and because of it, it'll be easier to make decisions on what stays and what goes. When determining the vision for your space, and in this case it's the closet, ask yourself, how do I want this closet to look? What belongs in this closet? What's the purpose of this closet? Once you've answered those questions, you'll have a better vision and you'll be able to get started on getting it very organized. Okay, the next step is the purge. You need to remove items that you don't like, don't need, and aren't using. This does involve some decision making and it requires you to be brutally honest. There are 3 things you want to do when you purge. The first is remove the things that you don't wear anymore because they don't fit you, things that make you feel frumpy or uncomfortable. If you don't think you look good in it, you aren't going to wear it, so it should be purged. The second thing is remove the things you don't like. I don't care who gave it to you and how much money you spent on it. If you don't like something, you aren't going to wear it, and therefore it's just taking up space and actually not informing the vision of your space. So you want to purge it. And number 3, remove the things that don't belong in the space. Things that don't belong in the closet should be removed from the space. Now with everything that you purge, if it's in good condition, consider giving it to Goodwill or bringing it to your local consignment shop so you can make some money. Once you've done those steps, take a break, pat yourself on the back. You're now ready to implement systems and supplies that will help you stay organized. And I'll be back to help you do just that. Until I see you again, be very well.